Hi, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, and we got unexpected holiday since um, collector of the Malappuram district has declared holiday due to the heavy rain, and it has been raining for 2 days continuously, and some part of Kerala is already in red alert. So today we are just sitting and having a tea with my friend Lydia here. And today we are having this sweet corn, banana chips,
And the empty cups.
and tikka because we almost finished our breakfast. And today, just we were sitting and talking, and I just thought of vlogging today. So today, my friend Lydia received her Savannah product. So let's see.
Bandana. Bandana? Bandana spine.
How
Oh,
much is
yes,
this?
yes, yes. Just 100 something.
Wow.
Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, so pretty. Look at the flower print. This is dress. Wow, it looks so nice. Material is so good.
And this is only for
Wow.
190 for socks.
190 for socks. Oh my
Only like
god.
89 rupees.
What is that actually?
This is how I look at invisible.
So if you like this collection, you can also go check it out from Savannah. The materials are too good and price are so reasonable. Get a moi cook kariwa because it's 3 बजे हो गया से lunch का. Cabbage boil kariwa. Potato ektai ase aro. We have only one potato and it's already eaten by some uh, insect. So we can't eat this. We can't risk our health. This dal and cabbage boil. So I just got it from the ladle.
This is the king chili we brought from Nagaland. We bought this one from Nagaland. This is king chili. But since we don't eat much chili nowadays, it is getting spoiled. We have to expose it in the sun. But nowadays it's raining here, so we can't even expose this to king chili for making chutney. I'm going to add only garlic for frying this dal curry. So today I'm not using onion to fry the dal curry. I'll be using this much garlic. I cancel my naga chutney and I'm going to make this jackfruit seeds ka
Last time
chutney.
our neighbor gave us little jackfruit na just next to our apartment. So we preserve these seeds so that we can eat like we can make chutney. So I think today is the right time to make this chutney. I will be making this jackfruit seeds chutney. Just remove it like this, and this brown cover no need to remove. So remove no kurle bhi ho jayega na the brown cover to. So little chutney banana powder. It will turn out like a mashed potato. So it's so tasty. And let's put this here. So I'm gonna boil here first. One tomato and this fruit seeds. Then 2 king chili. I've already washed this like this. Put some salt. This is my dal. And just put it on. Then let the water get dry. Nah. Otaina room to rakhi display to share. This is ready, and now I'm boiling this cabbage. This is our simple lunch for today. We are going to have food now. So this is my plate. I'm going to have food. Thank you so much for watching. I'll end my video from here. Bye.